it's me, Casey. I have a new book for you, but it's a little bit of a secret. Yeah, this book is all about secrets. In fact, it was just a week ago that it came out. That's not a secret. Barbara Dee released Violets Are Blue, her most recent middle grades novel. One of the things I love about Barbara Dee books is that her characters are completely normal. The premises are completely normal. It's not outlandish or outrageous. It's like the kid who's next door. Could be you. But that kind of reminds me of Beverly Cleary, which I won't get into reasons behind her writing of the iconic novels about Henry and Ramona. But anyway, got too far anyway. Barbara Dee wrote this book about Wren, not Violet. There is no character named Violet. That's a secret too. But this book about secrets has to do with, starts with a secret that comes out. Her dad apparently has been involved with another woman because he goes off. Her parents get divorced and he gets married to a new woman. She's in fact pregnant. So Wren, that's the character here. Wren is going to have a new sibling, or as it turns out, two. But Wren loves to do makeup. This is her on the cover with her mermaid makeup. But when her dad leaves, her mom acts differently. Wren doesn't quite feel like she knows her mom anymore. Wren feels odd. She feels weird. She feels like she doesn't belong at school. And things aren't going well for her mom at work either. So the two of them end up moving. They start over. And Wren is real nervous about that. But she continues to work on her makeup. She watches these tutorials on YouTube. That's how she spends much of her time. And then she practices with makeup that she gets secretly sent from her stepmother. Shh, she hides it from her mother. But her mother also is hiding some things. Her mother has begun to lock her bedroom door, something that has never happened in their household. All of a sudden, there are secrets, there are divisions. Will they be able to reunite? Well, that's only one of the issues here. Mother-daughter, there's also issues of friendships, with Wren feeling somewhat odd, feeling somewhat ostracized, feeling like she doesn't belong. Will she be able to find friends who can relate to her, who she can relate to, and who appreciate her love of makeup the way that she really does enjoy it? So see what you find. I give this book a 3 out of 5. It's good. It's really good. But I don't think it was as great as Barbara Dee's previous book, which is here. Maybe he just likes you, just because the subject matter didn't feel as weighty to me. But still interesting, still important, still plenty of kids in middle grades today who are increasingly into makeup and tutorials like this. So you could really access an interest point with that. The writing is really readable. It's a middle grades level book, I'd say, probably written at a 5th grade reading level. The syntax is simple, but you could get your interest level in kids anywhere from 4th to 8th grade. So give it a read, see what you think. Gotta love Barbara Dee. Don't keep her a secret. See you later.